So we are all looking forward. We are wishing all the drivers good luck, and obviously safety is always important for us. And we really hope that everybody is going to adhere all the safety measures and make sure that this event will be successful.
It was tough 2 days, but finished tough. I think that when the adrenaline comes down now, I'm going to fall asleep, but yeah, we finished. Yeah, it's great achievement for us to finish. Our first Taras, very happy to finish.
The second Tara in a row that we're finishing on a podium. Last Tara we were also second overall. Not sure where we're lying now, but I mean it's either first or second. So this is a good day.
And this morning started off with a bang. We did a couple of the stages again that we did last night, and most of the cars broke throughout the first three or four stages, which is very unfortunate. But yeah, we managed to keep everything together. We had a couple of breakdowns as well, shocks that came off, and a suspension that was broken. So yeah, but all in all, we're here.
It was fun. It was our first real rally that has 2 days full of rallying, but we had a few hiccups, but we made it finished. That's all that counts.